What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing a fantastic tune by Nirvana, Heart-Shaped Box. Cool. Alright, so I'm tuned down to their tuning, so we can play along with the album. So you gotta tune down the whole guitar half a step from E to E flat, okay? And when you've done that, you gotta tune down the low E string to a drop D. So it's the low E should sound like that. Okay, so here's the strings. Alright, cool. This is super fun on the acoustic guitar. Some of the stuff's a little hard to bend. I got really thick strings, so but it's okay. We can try it. So it starts with a regular A. So 2 on D and 2 on G. And pick 5, 4, 3, 2. And then we're gonna bar E, A and D string and play 6, 5, 4, 5. And then open, we're gonna pick 6, 5, 4, and then 5, let's see, yeah, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Part for the verses. We got another thing happening. We got the, so that's every other time. You want to grab 4 on the D string and 3 on the A string and end with an open D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 on the D and 3 on the A string, and then open D. So that's the verses, and then we got the chorus, the heavy part. So this one is a little hard to bend on the acoustic guitar, but so grab an A, 2 hits, and bend G string 4th fret, a little bit like that. And then grab this chord, the second chord, and another bend, and then and end with the bend. This is 6 times. Last time. And then we end with so 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, D. Grab that tone again, that note again, and end with. time. Okay, so that's the two main parts. We got one more part, which is the guitar solo. So that's on the D string, only D and B string here. So 7, 2 times, bend 8 B string, and then 5. Yeah. 7 and 8, and then 7, 5 and 6, bend that, and then bend, and then 3 and 5, and end with 3, 2, open on the B string. 2 times, and then you end with a big fat A major. That's when they bring it down. And I believe that's all the parts. They end with a double chorus, I think, and they just repeat the. Well, you hear it. Okay, cool. Great. Fun song for sure. Thanks much for tuning in, guys, and don't forget to tune down the guitar when you play along with me and the record, and also drop D after you tune down. Cool. Take it easy. See you tomorrow. Thanks.